babes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's an awesome video because it's about my first Louis Vuitton backpack. So this is the beautiful cute thing they have. It is a backpack in monogram canvas leather, and I mean, it looks so nice. It speaks for itself. This piece is so unique and also so timeless. This backpack you can get for 1,700 euros at the Louis Vuitton store, and it is called the Palm Springs Mini. So this piece you can also get in 1 or 2 sizes bigger, but this one is the mini version, and I opted for this because it was enough for me. I really wanted a small backpack, but also a very practical and handy one. So let's look at it. We have it from the side and from the back. You see we have 2 beautiful and very long leather strap in black color, which are attached to the backpack by golden hardware. I mean, I love golden hardware at Louis Vuitton, and this backpack was just amazing. The zip is also in golden hardware, and also the other ones, it's also just golden hardware everywhere. You can also detach the straps, so I won't do it right now. I will just let the strap like this, but I just wanted to show you that you can easily detach it by this, and then you just have no straps at all, but I like to let them. So up in here you see you have a handle in black color, which is really nice because it is a very handy thing to just hold the backpack in your hand if you don't want it on your shoulders. Sometimes I really like to just hold it. This bag is such a classic Louis Vuitton piece, as you have the monogram all around this piece, guys. So it's a classic Louis Vuitton piece. You can use it for so many occasions, and also the zip can be opened so easily, as you just saw. The inside of this beautiful backpack is in a very classic black, so the inside also is so spacey. Even though it is the mini version, guys, it is such a spacey backpack. This really is enough for me, as I just want to put maybe my water bottle and my iPhone in it, and also some keys and my wallet. So this is a perfect thing. If you need more space, just buy the bigger version, but for me this was really so enough. As I showed you the inside of the bag, you just saw that you have one biggest department up in here. So this is the main department of the backpack, and here on the ground you have a smaller department, maybe for some cards. If you want to put in your ID or your credit cards, you can use this all over. So let's close this backpack, as it has just one zip. And now we look at the department just down here, where you have like a super small department, guys. I can barely use it, but I will just show it to you. It is a very small department just in the front, but it is not very easy to be opened, so I would recommend to you to just leave it closed, because it also optical, it's a very nice piece. I mean, that's nothing to say about it. The straps are beautiful, the handle is so nice. It's thicker than other handles at Louis Vuitton, so it gives you a little bit of comfortness while wearing it. The stitches are made perfectly. The design at all is beautiful, it's eye-catching, and it's really timeless. So if you want to have like shorter straps, you can also detach this one and make it a little bit shorter. So I won't do it right now, as the process is a little bit difficult, but as you can see, you have a lot of holes, so you can easily make it shorter or longer as you wish. So now I want to show you how I'm wearing this backpack. So guys, this is the first style how I like to wear my backpack. As you can see, I just wear it on one shoulder and it falls really beautiful. The backpack can be held like this in the front and you can easily walk with it. You can also touch it very easy. If you want to take something out, you can just pop it out. It's really nice and handy. The other style would be in my hand. As I told you, this is my most beautiful style because I like to feel this soft, thick handle. So I like to wear it in my hand. I love it. It feels so comfortable and I think it looks so chic. You can pimp up every outfit you have. If you're wearing leggings or a beautiful dress, you can accessorize it with this beautiful backpack. Also, the other style would be like at my back with both straps. So I will show you it like this from the back. This would be my last style. I don't really like to wear it like this as I cannot really feel my backpack. But all in all, you can decide by yourself which style you like and just do it like this. So guys, if you like it, you should leave me a like under my video, comment it and subscribe to my channel for other luxury items.